look at Resident Evil 5, America's favorite family, become a guitar hero, and an escape from Paradise City. Hi, I'm Josh Cashill, and welcome to WeShow TV, home of the best online videos. Well, it looks like Resident Evil 5 will most definitely be veering more toward the action-heavy gameplay found in Resident Evil 4. The not zombies use weapons much like the enemies in Resident Evil 4, and frighteningly enough, these new enemies seem fast. Want to know more? Take a look. The following game was created by the writers of a successful cartoon and a much-anticipated movie. It's about a family that we all know and love. Yep, it's time to watch the game trailer for The Simpsons.
Cool. I started this riot in the name of decency.
We continue with a suggestion for those who dream of being a music star. Set to be released in October of 2007, Guitar Hero 3 features some rock and roll legends and classic songs. Let's feel the groove. We close today's review with Boris, a corrupt federal agent who's in charge of taking care of some dirty business in Paradise City. Check it out.
There I was. 1 second a big shot at the Bureau. The next, a lousy infiltrator for the NSA. That agent, Jeffrey Kovacs, he is on my hit list for sure. Why don't people mind their own?
That's it. I hope you enjoyed our featured videos today. See you next week on Games and Toys Review, here on WeShow TV.